Well, I signed a card for the IAM because, first of all, I think union representation in the airline industry is very important. I had union representation by 3 different unions over the course of 10 to 11 years as a Northwest flight attendant, and I've noticed a significant difference in my work life in the last couple years. With no contract, with no union, no representation, nobody to stand up for me, nobody in between myself and the company and my coworkers in the company. Big difference. We're a lot better off having black and white work rules in this industry, in this country, considering what we do for a living.